Becoming a millionaire? Most people think of hard work, smart investments, or maybe winning the lottery. But some individuals made their fortunes in ways so unusual, they almost sound made up. No tech giants, no Wall Street sharks, no traditional business plans. Today, we bring you 10 incredible real-life stories of people and companies who got rich through creativity, bold ideas, and a bit of playful thinking. These aren't your typical paths to wealth. 10. Gary Dahl and a pet rock. Imagine buying your child a pet that doesn't need feeding, walking, or cleaning. Sounds perfect, right? In 1975, Gary Dahl had that exact idea. He packaged regular rocks in boxes with care instructions and sold them as pets. Each one cost just under $4. The result? Over 1 million sold and a major profit. Silly idea? Maybe. Brilliant marketing? Absolutely. 9. Rob Dyrdek and a skate park in a warehouse. Instead of spending big on advertising, pro skateboarder and TV personality Rob Dyrdek built a private skate park inside a warehouse. Every trick, every fall, and every win was filmed, turning into a hit show that attracted millions of viewers. Today, Rob is not only a cultural icon, but also a successful entrepreneur, all thanks to turning his passion into a brand. 8. Eugenia Cuida and a digital friend. After losing a close friend, Eugenia Cuida wanted to preserve their memory in a meaningful way. She created an AI-based chatbot using their past messages. That project evolved into Replica, a virtual companion that helps people feel less alone. Today, the app has millions of users and proves that technology can also have a deeply human side. 7. Making money with silence. Music producer Tommy Profit released a track titled 10 Minutes of Silence. Literally. No sound, no melody, just pure silence. And guess what? People actually listened to it. To relax, to sleep, or even as a joke. The track racked up thousands of streams, earning real money. Sometimes, the most minimal ideas can turn into unexpected success stories. 6. Bottled air from Canada. Vitality Air is a company that bottles fresh mountain air from the Canadian Rockies and sells it, mostly to areas with heavy air pollution. One bottle could cost several $dozen. While it might sound odd, the idea hit a real need. The result? International demand and a thriving business. A perfect example of turning a simple resource into a valuable product. 5. Ken Hakuta and the wall-climbing toy. In the 1980s, entrepreneur Ken Hakuta discovered a Japanese toy, a sticky little creature that crawled down walls. He imported it to the US and named it the Wacky Wall Walker. Cheap to make and wildly fun, it became a sensation. Over 200 million units were sold. Just goes to show how a quirky little toy can become a global trend. 4. The man who sold pixels. Student Alex, too, needed money for college, so he launched a website selling individual pixels for $1 each. Advertisers could buy and customize small squares on the page. Within 4 months, the site was completely sold out, and Alex had earned $1 million. A simple, clever idea with huge impact. 3. Sarah Blakely and her shapewear empire. With no background in fashion and only $5,000 in savings, Sarah Blakely created Spanx, a line of shapewear leggings that quickly became a favorite among women worldwide. Today, she's a self-made billionaire and a role model for female entrepreneurs. Proof that determination and a fresh idea can rewrite the rules of an industry. 2. Andres Arto and the face that took over the internet. Hungarian engineer Andres Arto once posed for a stock photo shoot. His face, with a smile that seemed a little forced, quickly became an internet meme, Hide the Pain Herald. Millions of memes later, he embraced the fame, appeared in commercials and interviews, and built a public persona that brought in real income. A great example of turning viral fame into real opportunity. 1. Millionaire from banana stickers. A graphic designer from California noticed something odd. Bananas are everywhere, but the stickers on them? Boring and forgettable. He asked, what if those stickers were funny, creative, or surprising. That sparked the idea for banana branding, colorful, witty sticker designs people could buy and place on bananas. The concept went viral. People started posting banana pics online, cafes and grocery stores joined in, and soon there was a full online shop with bulk orders and business deals. The takeaway? Sometimes the ordinary becomes extraordinary with just a spark of imagination. As you've seen, the road to success doesn't always pass through business school or corporate boardrooms. Sometimes it's paved with weird ideas, smart timing, and a willingness to stand out. Which of these stories surprised you the most? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts and inspiring stories.